Hi guys, today I thought I'd show you one of the ways in which I create my tortoiseshell looks for autumn and winter. There's a lot of ways you can create this look, and there's a lot of tutorials out there already. And I even have a few already saved on my reels, but I thought I'd show you how to do this look using C&D shellac. And in this look, I'm using 3 colors and a foil. So you're going to get this lovely tortoiseshell finish, and it's not going to be too thick. It's not going to have problems with adhesion, and your customers are going to love it. And it's very easy to do. So watch to figure out how I'm doing it. On a nail with prep done and base coat already cured, apply 2 coats of Candlelight, curing between each layer. Then go in with some tortoiseshell foil, dabbing it all over the nail randomly. You don't need to get it in one solid go. And then over the top of that, you're going to take a little bit of Blackpool shellac and fill in the jaggedy edges, and then cure in the lamp when you're happy. Then take a sheer brown like Wooded Bliss. Don't cure, just do a sheer layer, and then apply some layered blobs of Blackpool really thin. Cure that, top coat, cure that as well, and there you have it, a perfect tortoiseshell nail for autumn winter.